Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome into Mamba Finance. Today we are going to be going over some top niches for you to start your YouTube cash cow channels in 2021. And in case you don't know or are new to YouTube growth strategies or what a cash cow channel is, it is basically a channel where you produce the content while never showing your face on the channel, mainly through voiceovers and footage you get from other sources, and you post them up in trendy niches, and eventually the goal is to outsource the entire operation into an automated system, but more or less cash cow channels like this one here are basically 10 actors who could play Thrawn, 10 times actors lost it on set. This is just an example of a cash cow channel where no one ever shows their face, but this channel is bringing in tons of revenue per month. And since the channel is focused mainly on making money online, I figured this is a perfect thing to start off 2021 to talk about. So let's get into top 3 niches to grow your cash cow channel in 2021. Now, these are niches that, in my opinion, aren't going to go away. These niches are very solid, and I'm not talking the most profitable niches today. I'm talking the ones with the highest growth potential immediately. So let's go ahead and get into it. First channel we're going to take a look at, guys. If you are new to the channel, by the way, drop down and hit the subscribe button. We are coming out with new videos on how to make money online multiple times per week. Drop down and hit the like button and hit the comment on your thoughts on growing a YouTube channel in 2021. Let's go ahead and get into it. Screen Rant here has 7.83 million subscribers, and the first niche that I want to talk about here for 2021 growth potential for your cash cow YouTube channel is entertainment, more so movies and TV. If you were to hammer down on this niche right here, so as you can see, they're going with a lot of Disney and a lot of Marvel. And why do you think that is? You know how many people search for Disney and Marvel on YouTube daily? So they're going over a lot of Disney, a lot of Marvel stuff, even some games, movies based on video games. 10 times actors were alone the whole movie. These things get mad views. I mean, you're talking thousands and thousands of views. And when you're talking about the revenue potential on this, it's pretty solid. You move over to their Social Blade here, and Screen Rant has an A- total grade, and they're looking at about 11K up to 170,000 monthly earnings. Who knows where that really falls, but their estimated yearly earnings are between 130,000 and 2 million from this channel. Now, this is a huge channel, guys, so don't expect to scale your channel up to this immediately, obviously. But this just shows you how many people watch this niche. Video views for the last 30 days, 44.2 million views, guys. So this right here is a huge niche, more so the movie or TV niche. Just absolutely huge viewership on YouTube and a lot of potential here on the monthly earnings. My number 2 niche to get into for growth in 2021, it's a saturated one nonetheless, but if you produce good, worthwhile content, you can make it stand out. And I'm going to go over a smaller scale channel here that is 100% realistic. We're going to look at top wealth secrets here, and like I said, the make money online niche is my second top niche to grow your cash cow channel in 2021. Everyone's looking to grow their finances at all times. Everyone's always on the hunt for side hustles. Everyone is looking for a way to pad their bank account, make a little extra money online, and look at this channel. I mean, make $210 an hour from Google Images, make $500 per day from Google Search, make $50 per hour from free Facebook videos. These simplest titles. And really, the videos are just walkthroughs, a couple images, couple stills. Mostly, they are just literal walkthroughs on how to complete these things, these tasks. And they are getting thousands and thousands of views. Why is this niche so profitable? So, over the last 30 days, this channel has received 360,000 views. And on a small scale here, this channel is earning up to $20,000 a year. I think this is a little low, to be completely honest with you. They've gained 8,000 subs in the last 30 days. They've gotten 360,000 views the last 30 days. They're in the finance niche. I would assume their CPM is a little higher than this. I actually don't know I actually don't know why it would be this low. Their estimated yearly earnings are about 20. I would assume is a lot higher than that. That is crazy potential in this niche. 360,000 video views for the last 30 days on a channel with only 60K subs. The last one we were looking at here had 7.83 million subscribers. So we're talking quite a size difference here, guys. And if you want to make passive income, this is a great niche to get into and talk about it. If you have an interest in passive income and have a lot of ideas up your sleeve on how to make money online, a great way to go about it would be to get into this niche on YouTube to grow your cash cow channel. And then my third niche I want to get into is another very saturated niche, but it is a niche that is very doable if your content stands out and you promote your content correctly, and that is the sports niche, guys. So look at this page right here. We got Nonstop Sports. They have 219,000 subs, and their videos get, like I say, tens, hundreds, even, some of them I'm sure have gotten 1 million views over time. Yeah, 100%. So we're talking videos like 10 biggest upsets in NFL playoff history, top 15 highest paid players, 74,000 views. This was yesterday. The rise and fall of Vince Young, 10 greatest rookie seasons in NFL history. Guys, these videos are so easily put together with just compilated clips and a voiceover. It's kind of crazy the ease of work to put these together once you have the formula down. And the sports niche is not going away, guys. Sports are huge, is one of the biggest industries in the world as far as entertainment goes. And we're talking about big potential here. 11 million views the last 30 days for Nonstop Sports channel. And estimated monthly earnings between $3,000 and $45,000, up to $542,000 on the estimated yearly earnings. We are talking about a huge, huge potential industry here. And when you just take a look, they've only been created for a year, guys. This is a pure example of a cash cow channel that's only been up for a year, that is just killing it. 219,000 subs, and let's just confirm they did join last year. They have 81 million views, guys.
Calling somebody a goat.
This is so doable right here. These videos, they are taking highlights, they are compilating them together, they are voicing it over to put together top 10s, top 10 things you didn't know. How good was Michael Vick? 7 times Patrick Mahomes did the unthinkable. Guys, these are awesome niches to get into to try to grow your cash cow channels in 2021. These are bulletproof niches that are always going to have search results and searchers and viewers on YouTube if you are able to find a way to rank your video in the algorithm, which we'll be going over much more of in the future, guys, in future videos when we are talking more YouTube growth strategies and more making money online strategies. But those will be my top 3 niches I advise to get into if you are looking to grow a cash cow channel in 2021. Everyone have a good rest of your day. Hit the subscribe button for more, and I will see y'all on the next video.